Imagine creating mind blowing images with just a few words, then editing them like a magic, and even consistent characters across multiple images. Sounds amazing, right? With Google Gemini 2.0, you can do all of this easily. In this video, I will show you how to create, edit, and make consistent images using Gemini's powerful AI tools. Finally, the Google has launched the model Gemini 2.0 Flash Image Generator. Few months ago, they have introduced this image generator, but this was not public. But now we can use it publicly and totally free. The cool thing about this feature is this not only generate images, this could also edit your images and also could generate the consistent character for you with giving a simple prompt. And we all know that AI image generator is common, but AI image editor is not the common that is introduced by Google Gemini 2.0 Flash image generator. So without wasting time, let's get started. Open up a browser and type Google AI Studio. Press enter. Please go ahead and log in into the URL that shows aistudio.google.com. Once I click on this URL, this will ask me to sign in to Google AI Studio. Let's go ahead and sign in to Google AI Studio. Before starting the magic, please make sure you have like and subscribe ITPK. Once you are logged in into Google AI Studio, here are few models that we can change and select. Just make sure after a login you have selected Google 2.0 Flash Image Generator Experimental. Once we hover our mouse at Gemini 2.0 Flash Image Generator, we could see that it's currently totally free, right? We could see some of properties here at this side. Input and output is showing totally free. Once you have selected Gemini 2.0 Flash Image Generator in the output format, please make sure image and text is selected by default. Now let's go ahead and start with our simple prompt in the prompt section. Please give me the image of Ferrari car. Let's go ahead and send it. Amazing. Now let's say we have liked this image and we want to generate more images of this car from different view. Okay, now let's go ahead and give it the prompt. Please give me the same car image in different view. Let's go ahead and send this. Amazing. Now you can see we got a same car in different view. Now let's say we like these both image and we want to proceed with making some modifications and get more images of same consistent car. Now let's type our next query. Please now open the door of this car. Let's go ahead and send this. And here you go. We got the same image and we have the door open of the same car. So here in the first image we got the front view, in the second image we got the backward view, and in the last image we got the car door open in backward view. So that's perfect. We could create a catalog for these images. Let's go ahead and type what we want in our next image of the same car. For our image requirement, our next query is please make sure the man is standing outside the car. That's perfect. Have you seen the magic? We got the same image down below and man is standing outside the car. And how perfectly man is holding the car door. Amazing. Now let's go ahead and we wanna see another amazing example. Click on create prompt. We wanna create new prompt. Now let's say here we want to create a story and we want the sequence of images generated by Gemini 2.0 Flash. And I guess this is the best tool which I can ask to generate me a sequence of images. Okay, so the next prompt I am going to send to Gemini 2.0 Flash image generator is give me the five scenes with the consistent man images and description for the jungle story. Let's go ahead and send it. Perfect. Have you seen the magic? We got the images of the man according to our given query, as well as we got the description with every image, and this make us so easy to create a story with consistent images and characters. Let's quickly go ahead and see another use case to create a YouTube posters or thumbnails. So I just click on create prompt. So I type the prompt that create me a YouTube thumbnail that shows Egypt pyramids and also showing the highlighted text that shows ancient mysteries. Let's go ahead and send this. Perfect. So let's say if we didn't like this thumbnail for our YouTube, let's go ahead and click on edit button and you could rerun it. Once you will rerun it, this will keep generating different kind of thumbnails for you. We don't like this as well. Let's go ahead and edit and we want to rerun it. And let's say this looks amazing and we like it the most. We could go ahead and click on download to download it to our computer and then upload it to YouTube thumbnail. Gemini 2.0 Flash also generate images with text on it. Let's go to new prompt and we want to generate the image. So my next prompt is generate image of the man wearing black shirt showing OTPK written on the shirt. Let's go ahead and send this prompt. Let's say I want to send it another prompt that please generate the same image that only shows the shirt saying I love ITPK clearly. Let's send it. Amazing. Let's see this image. Yeah, now it's written I love ITPK. Now, in the next prompt, we are going to see the very important and amazing features of editing images. We will see how Gemini 2.0 Flash image generator will edit images for us. Let's go ahead and upload our image. Okay, I have uploaded this image. What I want, create a boat in this image on the water. Let's go ahead and send this. Perfect. You see these amazing results? Let me show you the original image side by side so we can confirm that how perfectly it has generated image for us and edit a board that shows perfectly amazing in this image. Everything else in the image is looking same and it has ended up generating us a board with a perfect reflection. Amazing. I just want to download this image. The next magic we're gonna see is that we have a burger here and we also have a girl here. We just want this girl eating this burger. Let's go ahead, make the girl eating this burger. Let's go ahead and send our uploaded image and the prompt. Now this will combine these two images and make this girl eating that burger I have sent it. Impressive. This is the exact same person, same burger. This is the exact same person and eating the burger, same hairs, same face, and same outfit. This is just amazing. The next quick example, I'm gonna show you that I have an image of black car here. I just want to say it, make the car white. That's it. Let's go ahead and send this query. This could be very challenging, I think so. Amazing, very perfect, stunning. You can see this has changed the car color as well as the color of surrounding. I think more than an image generator, this is the perfect and amazing editor. Now let's go ahead and I want to show you the final and quick example of image editing. I have downloaded the image of these guys. I just want to turn these shoes into red. So let's go ahead, send this. Have you seen this perfect result? Everyone's shoes turns to red. Here, everyone was having white shoes. So I think that's enough about today's video. I have shown you multiple prompt generation, multiple image generation, consistent image generation, story image generation, and we have seen a lot of magic in this video. I don't want to take your more time. Please make sure you have like and subscribe ITPK and let me know in the comments how was this video and how is this free tool. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Bye.